Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be checking out and test driving a beautiful 1972 Chevy Monte Carlo. It's a great looking car, great sound and dual exhaust, fully numbers matching drivetrain, numbers matching 350 under the hood, and numbers matching TH350 3-speed automatic. Beautifully done under the hood, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. The AC blows ice cold. When it first came in, AC did not work. Did a bunch of work on the air, got that working and blowing cold. Engine runs great. It's got a nice set of headers. And from having drove this before, I feel it's got a bit more performance than your stock 350 would have back in 1972. Really fun, quick, good driving car. And we're doing this video kind of earlier in the morning, so we're gonna have some shadows as we go around, but hood lines up great. I love the pinstriping on it. It really makes it stand out. Front bumper's beautiful, that looks new. Grill's in great shape. Front of the hood's beautiful, no bug chips or nothing like that along the front of the hood. Headlight bezels are beautiful. All the paint around the headlights, very nice. Hood lines up great on both sides. When it came in, it had good looking tires on it, but as we're doing our check-in inspection, the tires were dry rotted, so we put 4 brand new Cooper Cobra raised wet letter tires all the way around, and they look great. Bumper, I said, look new, but you do have a little wear right here on the bumper that I missed, but still shines awesome. This one I'd classify just a nice driver, local car show quality car. It's got a great look, great sound, something you can be very proud of, but not a trailer queen, just a real nice example of a 72 Monte. Paint straight, door fits good there. Passenger side quarter looks good. No dents or dings in the roof. Sail panel area here is beautiful as well. It's got a couple 6x9 speakers in the back package tray. Door jamb paint's got a good shine on it as well. Corner of the door there looks good. Seat's in really good shape. Nice and plush, comfortable. Seat cover looks good. Back seat's nice as well, so is the rear door panels. Headliner looks like that was replaced. And they did, especially the front's very tight. There's a few small little wrinkles towards the back, but nothing sagging. It's always hard to get those headliners perfectly tight whenever you redo them, but overall looks good. Door panel, and it looks to me like a lot of the interior is probably original. Oh, camera's going crazy there. When you look at the door panel, it looks good, but you can see some of the argent here on that, what looks to be original armrest base is just kind of wearing a little bit as far as discoloring with age, but carpet looks nice. All the wood grain on the dash looks good. Steering wheel looks good. There's a few, probably the biggest imperfections in the car. There's a couple little small crack here on the dash, and I think there's one that I'll show you when we get in on the driver's side. I can pop that open. Thanks, Colton. The paint on it's really in great shape. Still almost looks wet. It's got a nice shine. Trunk lid was jammed well. But I love the attention to detail under the hood and the trunk. This is something you can take to a show, pop the hood, and it looks beautiful under there. Pop the trunk, and that looks awesome as well. Nicely spackled. Spare tire with the correct cover on does have the jack, it looks like, underneath of it as well. Back bumper is original, so that you can see has some wear on it, but most of it's kind of down low here by the tailpipes. Love the exhaust tips on it. I like these Monte Carlos a lot. We have this one priced here at $33,995. We also have a green one that I would say just a little step above this on our website as well. Both real quality cars. Driver's side rear quarters nice and straight. You have a couple little chips here that have been touched up. But overall, I haven't seen a whole lot for imperfections. Tail back glass is original. Really looks good, but if you look down kind of low here, he's got some tiny little micro scratches, but very common on a classic car. Door fits good. Sticks out just a little bit here towards the top. Do have a little paint chip right there that's been touched up, a little paint crack. And then one small chip right here. But overall, just a beautiful car. Great stance, great look. This one should not be around very long. Driver's side door panel. Same way, door panel's in really good shape. Armrest bases look good, but if you kind of look in the armrest base, you can tell that they're original, just with the discoloration there on the plastic. Door jamb paint looks great. Corner of the door is super solid. Driver's seat's in good shape. Don't see much for wear on it. On the speaker cover here, you have a little crack in the dash here, and on the speaker cover. Fires right up. Visors are original. Rearview mirror is original as well. So it's got just a little kind of discoloration, I guess, if you would, on that. But again, something, little thing that's something easy to do if the next guy wants to. Horn works. The wipers work. And they park. Heat and air conditioning both work. It's a sweet car. Gas gauge works. We got just under full. Fill it up when it comes in. For temp, you have just lights for temp, oil, and generator. It's got an old school, I don't even know what brand this is, radio. I got a little bit of static out of that, but I'd be surprised if it works. You can see the needle and stuff moving there, but I don't think that old school radio is working. It does seem to light up though. I always like these cars. They're just super comfortable, fun to drive, good power there. I didn't even get all the way into it, but you can tell there that the kickdown works. Power brakes. We went through them like we do on every car here. They stop perfect. No pull left or right. You have a really nice pedal. Let's see if we can go through the gears manually on it. It's got some good torque. It's a fun little car. Again, numbers matching motor, numbers matching transmission. It's got the correct GM 12-bolt rear end. Great shift there. First, second, third. speedometer works. It reads a little fast. It was saying we're doing about 85. I think we were probably around 70 to 75, so it reads a little bit fast. But goes down the road good. I think even the seatbelt buzzer still works in this thing. If I have my seatbelt rolled back in the thing, you can hear the seatbelt buzzer. Kind of neat. Odometer shows 41,267 miles. Now I don't know if it's 41 or 141, but car's been restored. Drives beautifully. No hands on the wheel. Front end's nice and tight. Try our brakes here at high speed. They're perfect. Just a car someone's gonna be able to jump in, turn the key, have a lot of fun with. Have ice cold air. Good sound and dual exhaust. Kick down works. Just a sweet car. Check it out on our site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.